After you've chosen the right provider, there's another important step to consider, and that is who that doctor works with. Hair restoration is not a solo effort. While your doctor's skills, experience, and judgment are crucial, the team supporting them plays a major role in how smoothly your procedure runs and how your grafts are cared for throughout the day. In today's hair restoration market, many clinics rely heavily on per diem or temporary medical assistants. These individuals may rotate between different practices, work with multiple doctors, or assist in procedures only occasionally. In many cases, per diem assistants also bring their own tools and supplies from one clinic to the other. While they may be qualified, this lack of consistency in both personnel and equipment can impact workflow, communication, and overall efficiency. At Bernstein Medical, the approach is different. Our doctors work with a dedicated, full-time surgical team that is deeply familiar with their techniques, preferences, and standards. This consistency allows the entire procedure to run seamlessly, with each team member anticipating the doctor's needs and maintaining the same level of focus and care throughout the day. Some of our clinical staff members have been with us for 30 years and others for decades, bringing an exceptional level of experience, continuity, and trust to every procedure. Because hair transplantation is a time-sensitive procedure, how grafts are handled matters. Our team rotates responsibilities to ensure everyone remains focused, rested, and working at their best, using hospital-grade instruments and equipment throughout the surgery. We understand that every clinic has its own model. What's important is that you understand who is involved in your care, how often they work together, and how experienced they are as a team. When your doctor is supported by a skilled, consistent team, it creates an environment where precision, efficiency, and patient care come first. Our goal is to give you clarity, confidence, and a peace of mind as you move forward in your hair restoration journey. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.